Hit right at the boat. There you go, B-Roy's on this side. You hit on the way in. A little smallmouth bass. We're just working a flat out here on the river, throwing crankbaits. We got old Trusty on right here. We're gonna need the pliers. All right, try this again. I don't want to hook myself, it's a problem. He's got third time's the charm. There we go. He got started unhooking himself. He hooked himself again. Oh, now he's got himself in the eye. Got a good grip on him now, though. Come on, guy. I got you. I got you. Do you know Buster? You related to him? There we go. Got him. Fish on. Woo! Rockbass, Randy!
Woo! Get some, boy. Little Ned rig. Hey. Don't mess with me. There you go. Nice, easy guy. Hey, I'll take it. It's been slow. Little guy.
Rockbass.
You want him? No. Rick usually eats these damn things.
Get back down there, boy. Oh. Ah. Hit me at the boat. Traumatized when they'll be like, I never thought I'd hear that voice again. Oh.
Got him.
Get him. Nice.
Got him.
See a netter?
No. Little jumper.
Hey,
little jumper.
Our regular spots were slow, so we tried a new spot, and here we go.
Hey.
I hate to say it, that's the biggest one today so far.
There's my guy. There's my guy. Showing them off. Smallmouth territory. There you go. Fish on the river.
Little walleye. Oh.
There you go. Camera guy's rolling it.
Little walleye. Hey-oh.
Something.
Little walleye and old Trusty. Pliers made their way under the seat there. But I think we're going to be all right here. There we go. Little walleye.
There you go.
Even a bite. All right.
Hey y'all, Jay with F-Sup Outdoors. It's been a tough day.
I already watched the whole video.
Whatever. It's been a tough day on the river. Got a few smallies, throwing around crankbaits, some tube jigs. I had a Ned rig on for a while. Just a few, but we'll be back. It's not over. We're coming for you.